Hi everybody, it's Carrie and Sean from Owning Toronto.
And we are here in North Riverdale.
If you'd like to see this listing or any others, give us a call.
We're not lying. This place needs work. But it's not the roughest place I've ever seen. And
Nope.
although you think it needs to be completely gutted, I think maybe certain areas need to be gutted. Because I like the layout of this kitchen. The living room, open concept, and kitchen. So.
Yes, and you do know more about these things than I do. I would tell anybody who wanted to listen that that's true. So, but I think there's going to be a lot of work to be done. I think you're going to want to redo, I think all of the windows would be done. They did get a head start on a few things though, right? They've redone the electrical in the house. There is a newer furnace, a newer hot water tank down there. Mm-hmm. But can you just imagine renovating this kitchen into something? I mean, you're going to have money. That's the thing, really. It's not about really renovating to the studs. You're going to have some money to do the renovations here.
For sure, but any kind of renovation costs these days. It's just expensive to do. But as far as, and the big cost would be moving things around. And I don't think you need to change the layout of this kitchen. No. It works the way it is. The island is a bit too big, but I can see that they used it for storage here on the side. You've got some drawers, which is really handy. So just replace it with a new island that's not so big.
Yes.
Change the countertops, change your tiles.
Yep.
I mean, that's a lot, but it's enough.
It's enough. I mean, I like some of the features that you can see that this place was,
lived
in and loved for a long time.
For sure.
Big yard, which we won't go into because it's raining and we're made of sugar. There is a laneway back there that actually terminates. This is a semi-detached house. It terminates at the end of this house's property. You probably could, I wouldn't want to say you definitely could, but you probably could take that fence back a little bit and put a parking space in, which I would want to do if I lived on this street. It's a very busy street.
Yeah.
Okay, so
natural hardwood floors all throughout, high ceilings.
Yep.
Super high. You got a cute little fireplace. Honestly, this would be such a dream to set up and keep some of the natural features.
Yes.
This is interesting.
It is a little peekaboo entrance.
Yeah, I
but
like it.
You could work with that too, right?
You could, or you could just, change it a little bit.
Manipulate it.
Yeah,
right?
I don't want to say.
I don't think there's any reason to go downstairs in this place. It is an unfinished basement. There's nothing really to see down there. The ceiling height is not great. We'll head upstairs. Second floor. We walk up the stairs into a bathroom in the back here. They did a few adjustments to this bathroom. They redid the floor in it. But as you can see, it needs to be completely redone.
I don't know, that millennial pink, it's still popular.
It's true. But other than that.
Because we used to call it Dusty Rose in the 80s.
Oh my God, remember that?
Forest green and pink.
Dusty Rose?
Yeah.
Hey, Carrie, what's this here? A linen closet?
Is it?
Well, the plumbing's running through it, but sure, you could hide that.
Shelving's in there.
Yeah, you can hide that. There is a small little room off to the side of the bathroom here.
This room's a bit dark because we don't have...
Yeah, there's no ceiling light in here. Office? Yeah. Great office.
Office or a baby's room, maybe.
Yeah, maybe, a nursery, yeah.
Second bedroom is larger.
Yep.
Definitely could fit a queen size bed in here. You've got 2 closets.
Yep, 2 closets.
Yeah.
What?
Just in case.
Yes. Yeah, that's pretty nice. So, a good size in here. Definitely a good size for a bedroom.
Good size window to bring in some natural light.
It's definitely nice and bright. And then we head into the front bedroom here.
Primary room.
Possibly a primary room. I would say that we're not in the primary room yet, but that's coming. This is another fireplace in here. You could make this into a sitting room.
You could.
You could go multi-residential with this place, quite likely. It's big enough if that's where you wanted to go and if you had that kind of money. There's a deck out there, maybe we'll keep that closed, but there's a deck out front off the back, and then this is a pretty good sized room. There is no closet space in this room. I'm not exactly sure what it was used for before, but it could have been used for like a little TV room, sitting area, that kind of thing. And then...
Third floor.
Top of the stairs, let's go into the dark room first. Again, no ceiling light in here, so it's a bit dark. You can see there's a closet over in the corner, and that is a big enough closet for wardrobe and stuff. It has a window in the front, This is definitely a good sized bed. Wire hanging from it. The electrical was redone in here, but oh, that's not electrical. Anyway,
No.
never mind. Electrical was redone. It looks like there was knob and tube wires left in place in some spots, but they've all been disconnected by the looks of it. Look at this.
What a lovely space.
Walk-in closet.
Yeah.
Skylight.
Two
And then
skylights when you walk into
Two
the
skylights.
washroom.
Another skylight in the washroom. So
Stand-up
big
shower.
ensuite. This is your primary area for sure.
Good point. Yes. True.
And then just look at this, the size, the scale, the scope. Like
I mean,
seriously.
this is.
Well, this would just be a grand
This is
master
bougie.
primary suite, don't you think?
This really could be beautiful.
Yeah. The windows are huge. I would probably trim back that tree a little bit to let in a little bit more light. But
Overall,
it's gigantic.
it needs a paint job and a new flooring. That's it.
Yeah, that's true enough. Yeah, maybe you might want to run some new lighting up here and stuff like that, but it is really quite an impressive space. Buying or selling, owning Toronto takes care of your dwelling.